How to improve Snapchat camera quality on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can improve Snapchat camera quality on Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started. So in order to improve your camera quality, you have to follow some tips and setting adjustment. For that, first of all, make sure that your application is up to date. So to check for the updates, you have to open up Play Store in your mobile device. And in the search bar, search for Snapchat and make sure that the application is up to date. If the update is available, tap on Update button. Once the update is complete, now the second tip is to use your rear camera. So if you tend to use front camera, the Snapchat compresses image more on the front camera. So for clear videos or picture, you can use the back camera. And the next option or the next tips is to improve your lighting. Snap in a bright daylight or well-lit rooms for the better quality. If you are in the low light, you will gain more grain and blur in Snapchat snap. So make sure that you are using Snapchat camera on the improved lighting or the bright daylight. The next method is to clear your Snapchat lens cache. For that, open up Snapchat in your mobile device and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left, and now head over to your settings by tapping on the settings icon at the top right. Here you have to scroll down a bit and then you have to search for the option as lenses. Once you're here, you have to tap on clear local lens data. This will help you fix any blurry lenses or slow camera effects. And the last tip is to avoid using zoom. Snapchat does not use optical zoom. It will only use your digital zoom, which will reduces again the snap quality. So make sure that you don't use zoom. Instead, you can move closer to the subject. And that's how you can improve your camera quality on your Realme device. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.